Well, as you know, this is the third week that we're entering, and therefore we're beginning the rollout of the major analytical team report assignment. As you know, under weekly activities, you have the analytical report information, and now I have posted your team assignments. There are 6 teams of 4 classmates each, but because of the uneven number, one team has 5 classmates. But I'm going to share with you what's happened in the past. There are individuals who are not participating and haven't dropped out. And for whatever reason, they don't drop out. So I will be following up to be sure that you are meeting and that you don't have someone not participating. Remember, if somebody is dysfunctional, they may be fired from the team with my permission, and they will receive a 0 for this activity. Under the tab Analytical Report on the left-hand menu, I have the report, and I have a video overview of this document. And I also have a video of the essential elements of business in this report. Here are the key dates that are published. Note that I will get a draft. If it's complete, great. If it's not, I will review the work to date for you and give you feedback. There's no grade on that. I'm preparing you for a good grade on the major submission. Under the learning activities for week 3, I've also placed the same 2 videos, the overview of the paper and how that paper fits business communication. I have established a discussion board that is open, and you will go in and give your name, email address, and cell number so that you can get in touch with each other this week. This is where you begin to discover who's around and who's not. I'm hoping that you will soon get together and discuss your role assignments and begin to talk about the topic first, of course. You can use, of course, a Google Hangout. Well, I hope this is beginning to fall together for you, and I look forward to working with you on this project.